Hi, I'm Lori Rubenstein, author of I Am Always With You. Imagine being a child who has lost a loved one. Imagine the uncertainty, fear, and confusion around someone just disappearing from your life. For me, when I lost a friend to cancer who left behind a 3-year-old daughter, Jessie, I wanted Jessie to have a greater understanding that she was not alone. I am asking for your help. I am donating $2 per book titled I Am Always With You to go to charities that help children with loss. My goal is to be able to donate $500,000 by the end of the year. To help, please go to my website at www.myfriendlygiant.com to order your copy today and be part of this. And please pass this video on, because what we cannot do alone, we can do together. Thank you so much for your participation.